Hey guys, EG Scary here. Unboxing ghost hunting equipment today for paranormal investigations. This is a portal from Gotcha Ghost. Alright, I'm going to lower the camera a little bit. So this is the original portal painted black, which was custom with a battery pack. So, let's check this sucker out. So, this is it. So, we'll pack all this in here. Take a look and see what we have here. This is obviously a wall outlet. This is a 12-volt power bank. This is probably the charger for the power bank. This is the actual power bank. And it says that this is the battery pack, although it feels really light. So I wonder if you have to add your own batteries to it. Yep. AA. Both sides. So this might be like an alternate battery pack. This right here says 2 amp. Oh, there we go. This lights up when the power's on. So this is where the battery pack goes in. So gonna have to do some reading because this has a lot of stuff on it. But it's my understanding that this will hook into, here's the spirit box input. So this has the original HUFF portal, which is this Trinity device here. So I'm going to whip out the spirit box, but I think that this is missing the proper connector unless this pops off. No, it's taped together. I don't see how this is supposed to go into the spirit box. This says 2 amp. Alright guys, now back to the spirit box. I had to go to Guitar Center to buy my own cable. I sent an email. They responded right away that they would in fact be sending me the correct set of cables that was missing from my package. So today's the next day. I'm going to set my spirit box on sweep. This goes into the headphone jack. Then this is the portal. This says into the spirit box. So now this is in. Now we're hitting the power button. Is there anybody out there that wants to talk to us today? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? And we'll turn on the EMF detector. What's your name? Hello, can you hear me? Yeah. Yes, you can. What's your name? Do you see this green light in my hand, this device? Can you try to light it up? It has different lights on here that you can light up. Can you try and do that for me? Well, I'm gonna just set it over here. Hello, are you out there? Can you hear me? What is your name? Abe? This device allows us to communicate. What do you want to tell me? Are there any spirits here that want to talk to us? This is a spirit box and a portal that should allow communication between the living and the dead. Who made the machine for me? Do you know? Whose machine am I using? Don't misunderstand me, I definitely paid for it. But whose machine is this?
You.
I know it's my machine, but who made it for me? What's his name? I hear that you guys visit him in his workshop. Is that true? Is somebody here trying to stab me in the back? I feel pressure in my back right quadrant. Please stop, it does not feel nice. Don't touch me, you can go over and make the device light up. Hello? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Who are you? Does it help if I hold it? Nah. All right, let go. All right, well, thank you guys. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye. Goodbye. Don't go. I have to leave. Goodbye.